Fairphone, the renowned Dutch company known for its commitment to ethical and sustainable electronics, has recently made an exciting announcement. They have introduced their latest innovation, the Fairbuds XL headphones, continuing their mission to create devices that prioritize environmental responsibility and longevity. Fairphone has once again delivered a product that aligns with their core values. The Fairbuds XL headphones stand out due to their unique modular appearance. Unlike most conventional headphones, these innovative earbuds allow users to effortlessly replace individual components, ensuring longevity and reducing electronic waste. This modular approach aligns with Fairphone's overall philosophy of promoting repairability and extending the lifespan of electronic devices. One of the significant advantages of the Fairbuds XL is the flexibility it offers. Users can easily replace damaged or worn-out parts, such as the ear tips, cables, or even the speakers, without the need to discard the entire device. This appearance approach not only reduces electronic waste, but also provides a cost-effective solution for users. Instead of purchasing entirely new headphones when a single component fails, users can simply replace the specific part, saving money and contributing to sustainability. One notable advantage of this modular appearance is the ability to replace ear cushions without the need for any tools. This means that when the cushions wear out or need to be changed for any reason, users can effortlessly swap them out to ensure optimal comfort and hygiene. Additionally, the Fairbuds XL headphones allow users to replace the battery when it starts to show signs of decreased capacity. Over time, batteries tend to lose some of their charging capability, but with the Fairbuds XL, users can simply swap the battery out for a new one, ensuring that they can continue enjoying the headphones at their full potential. Fairphone estimates that after around 500 charge cycles, the battery will still retain approximately 80% of its original capacity, making it a reliable and long-lasting component. To provide a clear understanding of the various parts and components that make up the Fairbuds XL, Fairphone has provided a helpful diagram. This diagram showcases the different elements of the headphones, illustrating their modular nature, and highlighting the ease with which each part can be accessed and replaced. By offering such a comprehensive modular appearance, Fairphone not only empowers users to take control of their device's maintenance, but also promotes sustainability by reducing electronic waste. Repairing and replacing specific components rather than discarding the entire device not only saves money for the users, but also helps minimize the environmental impact associated with electronic waste. Weighing just 330 grams, the Fairbuds XL headphones offer a comfortable and lightweight listening experience. This makes them ideal for extended periods of use, ensuring that users can enjoy their favorite music or podcasts without discomfort or fatigue. Moreover, the Fairbuds XL headphones boast an IP54 rating for dust and splash resistance. This rating indicates that the headphones are protected against dust ingress to a level that ensures their proper functionality. It also means that they can withstand water splashes from any direction, making them suitable for use in various environments, including during light rain or while exercising. Fairphone's commitment to sustainability goes beyond minimizing electronic waste. They also prioritize responsible sourcing of materials and components. The Fairbuds XL headphones exemplify this dedication by incorporating recycled materials in their construction. The headphones are made of 100% recycled aluminum and 80% recycled plastics, demonstrating Fairphone's effort to reduce the environmental impact of production. Furthermore, the Fairbuds XL come with a 100% recycled textile pouch, providing a sustainable storage solution for the headphones. Even the electronics inside the headphones utilize 100% recycled tin solder paste, contributing to the responsible use of resources. Fairphone's commitment to ethical practices extends to the well-being of the workers involved in the assembly process. The company strives to establish good working conditions and ensure that the workers receive a living wage. By prioritizing the rights and welfare of their workers, Fairphone aims to create a positive impact throughout the supply chain. Moving on to the audio performance of the Fairbuds XL headphones, they are equipped with 40mm drivers, which deliver high-quality sound reproduction. The headphones utilize Bluetooth 5.1 with support for aptX HD, SC, and SBC codecs, ensuring excellent audio transmission quality. Additionally, multi-point connectivity enables seamless switching between multiple devices. Although the Fairbuds XL headphones do not feature a 3.5mm headphone jack, they offer wired connectivity through the USB-C port. This allows users to enjoy their audio content even when wireless connectivity is not available or preferred. Powering the Fairbuds XL is a user-replaceable 800 mAh battery, which provides an impressive battery life. With active noise cancellation enabled, the headphones can last up to 26 hours, and without active noise cancellation, the battery life extends to 30 hours. This longevity ensures that users can enjoy uninterrupted audio for extended periods without the need for frequent recharging. To customize and optimize the headphone settings, users can rely on the Fairbuds app, which is available for both Android and iOS devices. The app allows users to fine-tune various parameters, enhancing the overall listening experience and providing personalized control over their audio preferences. As for the pricing, the Fairbuds XL headphones are expected to be available at approximately $270. While this may be higher than some mainstream headphones on the market, it is essential to consider the long-term value and sustainability aspect offered by Fairphone's products. By investing in the Fairbuds XL, users not only acquire a high-quality audio device, but also contribute to minimizing electronic waste and supporting a more responsible approach to consumer electronics. In conclusion, Fairphone's announcement of the Fairbuds XL headphones represents another step forward in their mission to create sustainable and ethical electronics. With their modular appearance, excellent sound quality, and commitment to longevity, these headphones offer a compelling choice for conscious consumers who value both audio performance and environmental responsibility. By investing in the Fairbuds XL, users can enjoy their favorite audio content while contributing to a more sustainable future. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it is useful for you. Have a nice day and good luck.